Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best memory foam pillows on Amazon. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Sealy Memory Foam Pillow. The Sealy Memory Foam Pillow is designed to provide the ideal combination of comfort and support that you need for a restful night's sleep. This standard-sized pillow measures 16 inches by 24 inches by 5.75 inches, making it perfect for queen-sized pillowcases. The plush knit cover adds an extra layer of comfort, and it can be easily unzipped, removed, and machine washed for convenient care. What we like about it: fits snugly between the shoulder and neck, supports head, neck, and shoulders, maintains shape over time. What we don't like about it: some users may find it too firm. Number 2. Mobley Memory Foam Pillows. Mobley's memory foam pillows come in a set of 2. This product earned its spot on our list for its 100-night, risk-free trial period and 5-year warranty, which allow customers to test out the pillows. The pillow's unique 80 by 20 blend of shredded memory foam and polyester fiber offers a personalized, comfortable sleep experience for each person who uses it. It also provides plenty of support for the neck, shoulders, back, and head. These pillows are fully adjustable, allowing users to add or remove the shredded foam filling to suit their liking or preferred sleep position. What we like about it: adjustable height for customized comfort. Doesn't give off any odors. Machine washable cover for easy care. What we don't like about it: removing filling can be messy. Number 3. Groy Memory Foam Pillow. The Groy Memory Foam Pillow is a great choice for those seeking neck and shoulder pain relief. This ergonomically designed pillow is thick and contoured to support the natural curvature of the neck, allowing for maximum comfort and pressure reduction throughout the night. The adjustable loft means you can customize its height according to your own needs. The pillow is made from odorless memory foam, making it both comfortable and supportive, as well as Certipur US certified and Green Guard Gold approved for safety and quality assurance. What we like about it: cradles head, neck, and shoulders. Contours to your unique shape. Tulle fabric cover. What we don't like about it: pillowcases slip off easily. Number 4. Electo Memory Foam Pillow. This memory foam pillow is made of 5-second, slow rebound memory foam, which shapes automatically when pressed and returns to its original shape within 5 seconds of pressure removal. It comes with a cooling pillowcase that prevents the pillow from being uncomfortably warm during the night, and you can choose between 2 heights to accommodate any sleep position. The contour of the foam pillow fits perfectly with your body's natural curves to provide relief and support to your neck and shoulders. Furthermore, it can minimize neck pain and reduce muscle tension so you can wake up refreshed and relaxed in the morning. What we like about it: reduces soreness and aches. 2 heights to choose from. No chemical smell. What we don't like about it: may flatten over time from use. Number 5. Viverto Memory Foam Pillow. Discover ultimate comfort and support with the Viverto Memory Foam Pillow. Crafted with high-quality gel-infused ventilated cooling memory foam, this pillow ensures a serene and personalized night of sleep. The memory foam technology allows for longer periods of rest without worries of aches and pains. It provides exceptional support for the neck, shoulders, back, and head. One of the outstanding features of this pillow is its ability to adapt to your sleep position. The 3 to 5 seconds slow rebound memory foam retains its firmness, allowing it to move along with your turnover throughout the night. What we like about it: high-quality gel-infused memory foam. Personalized support for various sleep positions. Promotes peaceful sleep. What we don't like about it: thickness could be uncomfortable for some. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products, as it is going to make your life easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.